Hi everyone, my name is Jan Hendrik from the Westhuizen. I'm in the Taste Tube kitchen and I'm making my ultimate favorite Christmas dessert. It's a Turkish delight pavlova. To start with, some melted butter. Just give that a good brush. A generous dusting of corn flour. It's always a good idea to do this over the basin. To make your life much more easier, just grab a normal plate, put it on, then you can pull a circle around it, lift it off, and that's your indication for the pavlova. The success to a great pavlova, it's in the eggs. Fresh bought every day, preferably free range, and also try to keep them room temperature. If they're not, you can drop them in lukewarm water and that'll bring them straight to room temperature. Look at that beautiful color. I'm a bit old school when it comes to separating the egg yolk. My grandmother taught me like this and I keep doing it the same way. Let's get our egg whites nice and whipped up. Getting the egg whites up to a soft peak point before we're adding the sugar. 1 1/4 cups of caster sugar. Adding it quite slowly as we go. While we're waiting, let's have a cocktail. If you don't have a cocktail shaker, you can use your blender jug. Dash of bubbly, few blocks of ice, and a dash of gin. Wrap that up. Into your glass. And steal some of this. A little bit of crushed rose petals. Cheers. Now, time to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Just a few drops of lovely rose water. A squirt of vanilla paste. So what's going to give you the little crispy outside? Vinegar. We can use some of these dried rose petals to put on top of the pavlova, but they're also great to crush them and put them inside your mix. Let's get our tray out and just drop all of your meringue in the center of the baking tray. I like to make a little hole in the middle. Voila! And that goes into the oven for about 1.5 hours at 180. To finish this pavlova, simple whipped cream, some caster sugar, chopped Turkish delight, and a dash of rose water just to finish it off. Be careful not to overmix this now as it will split. And then we've got rose butter. Be very careful with this baby now. Now it's time to go crazy. We're going to finish it off putting the cream on top. And this is the time where you get the kids and everybody involved. Come guys! Woo. Kom ons gooi hierdie op. Sit jy al die kersjies vir ons op, toe? Een vir een. Keep stacking it, julle. Maak dit groter. Maak op die mond. Do you want some try? Let's go for it. Delicious.
Lekker soos 'n cracker.
Lekker soos 'n cracker.